Hello guys, Luca Santos here from ACY Securities. Well, last week wasn't that much volatility on the market. Unfortunately, we only had a few high impact news that was on Thursday and Friday, but Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday was pretty much dead. If you're a trader, you know what I'm talking about. But this week will be a little bit better. We are coming very close for a high impact. Probably next week will be more volatile in the market. We could experience a bit of volatility on the Friday night. If you're from Australia, Friday after 7 p.m. we had a lot of volatility until Saturday morning 6 a.m. But that was it. But now, you know, I'm here to give a little bit of my view, what's gonna basically be happening and what's my favorite pairs during the week. All right, so first, I still shorting JPY. All right, shorting JPY, it is a good opportunity. All right, don't get me wrong, it's a good opportunity, but you have to be careful when you're shorting JPY. The reason for is that the bodge is a bit tricky at the moment. Sometimes he came in the media and he says that they will change the monetary policy, but they doesn't. So this is making a little bit tricky, all right? And as well, we have, if you look at, for instance, let's say USDJPY, one of the majors, when talking about JPY, we can see that it's on a very, very big rally last week, only last week, from Monday, of course, to Friday, we got to move more than 300 pips, all right? So 3,000 points in 1 week. If you were with one lot, a full lot, you would be making $3,000. So that's how much USDJPY moved last week. For this week, I will continue to long USDJPY. US dollar for me, it's a little bit data dependent from now on. Last week we did had a bit of a strength on US dollar that I was even told you guys that the DXY could raise until 103, where the consolidation from March, and indeed we just reached this today. So congratulations for those who were on the trade. Now I'm still looking for longs USD. But with more caution, right? As I just mentioned, we are away from data and we're gonna have more volatility next week. So for this week, I still long in USDJPY. My other 100% favorite trade would be chfjpy long as well, for the instance that JPY is still weak, as I just mentioned, and CHF is one of my favorite pairs at the moment, as we just long it and forget it. For a few good reasons. The first one, of course, is because CHF is a safe haven currency and inflation on Swiss is coming down. I know, right? I always talk about like, okay, but if inflation is coming down, then it's not good because investors will be going away. Well, but for Swiss, it's different because it is a safe haven. So more people will be going to there if inflation is lower. And we are nearly 2% inflation on Swiss. And this is one of the best currencies at the moment, one of the strongest currency at the moment. So CHFJPY, if we see any retracement, any pullback, I would be looking to long it as well and hold it for the whole week until next week. And now, I still keep shorting euro dollar, all right? Euro is still very weak. Dollar a bit data dependent, as I just mentioned. And New Zealand dollar, unfortunately, one of the second weakest currency after JPY. Just losing for JPY, but NZD and JPY are the weakest for me at the moment, all right? Now, talking a little bit of the rates, New Zealand has the rates, the RBNZ, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, will be having the Monetary Policy Committee this week, and we are expecting a hold on the facility rate. So sorry, on the rates. So we won't be changing. We will keep at 5.5%. This is my take as well. And we have to see what they will say, all right? Not because they're holding the rates that it's gonna be 100% dovish. So just pay attention on what they will say. I will cover this for sure during the week. So subscribe to the channel and you will be able to see the video on Wednesday and Thursday. All right, so these are my trades for the week, and I wish you one of the best weeks for trading for you. And again, give us a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel, and send this video to your friend that may be looking to trade those currencies that I've just mentioned. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.